Assalamualaikum ma'am. Today, I and my friend want to present about the assignment of Hail Like a White Elephant. I 2200547 Muhammad Nur Aiman Majuddin and my friend is 2200510 Muhammad Firdaus bin Zulfami. This is summary of Hail Like a White Elephant. An unnamed American man and a young woman, G, are waiting for the express train from Barcelona. They are on the terrace of a small station bar and seem to be on their way to Madrid. The story consists entirely of a seemingly objective documentation of their words and action during their 40 minutes wait for the train. The surface events are very simple. The woman looks at the hill across the valley of the Ebro, suggests that they order a drink, tries to engage the man in light conversation, responds briefly and unhappily to his assertion that an operation that she is to have is really not anything. It's all perfectly natural. She then stand up, walk to the end of station, looks at the hill again, speak angrily, sit back down, demand that he stop, encountered for in this detailing of the woman occur after she asked him to stop talking and before she said that she is fine. During that brief period, he carries their bags around the station to the other track and stopped to drink and he sat at the bar alone. This is abortion problem. Firstly is material factor. As example, as the pill or intrauterine device. Secondly, can be used immediately following abortion. The second problem is machine factor. Firstly, machine vacuum aspiration involves using a thin tube cannula. Secondly is irregular bleeding or spotting for the first 2 weeks. The third problem method factor. Modern method use. Secondly, medication or surgery for abortion. The fourth of problem is environment factor. Firstly, often ask her husband. The second, her husband lack education about the pros and cons having an abortion. The fifth of problem is measurement factor. Firstly, is husband family doesn't want Jake to have a child too soon. Second, husband feel Jake too young to get pregnant. And lastly is man mind power factor. Firstly, she felt interfere in herself. Second, woman's age is the most important.
Assalamualaikum ma'am. I'm 2200540 Muhammad Firdaus bin Zulfami. Today I want to present about his like white elephant that I learned before. So today I want to talk about SWOT analysis for this story. So first strength. For strength, stop any unwanted children being born into sickness such as poverty. And second, can avoid a child being born who would have suffered from disease or severe disability. Okay, for weakness, causing a person's health to be affected or affecting the woman's health. And the cultural acceptance means it is used for the wrong reasons. So, for opportunity, giving people a choice of whether to make good or bad decision and have the opportunity to help people overcome terrible crimes so it will not happen. So for trade, they will be exercise legal battles about the right of a family. Okay, so for the conclusion of this story, based on the story, what I can conclude about our partner considering to make an abortion, there is a lot of things that you can do to help her. Okay, firstly, we need to talk. We need to let her talk about what she want to and make sure that she is getting suitable and supportive advice. A decision to make is not always an easy one. Okay, secondly, if they decide to have an abortion, encourage them to get advice as soon as possible. They are limit 24 weeks into pregnancy to a woman can get an abortion, and the sooner the abortion is performed, the less complicated the procedure. So finally, after the abortion, your partner may feel like talking about it. She may know it is up to you to be as supporting and caring as possible. So we can get on our lives and consider the future, including safe contraceptive options. Okay, so that's all from our group, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.